We'll guide you through how to change your password on Google Drive. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the Google account page by typing myaccount.google.com in the address bar. Once you're there, make sure you're signed in to the account associated with your Google Drive. Look for the Security tab on the left side of the page and click on it. In the Security section, you'll see a section titled Signing in to Google. Here, find the option for Password and click on it. You will be prompted to enter your current password to verify your identity. After you've entered your current password, you'll be taken to a new page where you can create a new password. Make sure your new password is strong by using a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. Google will give you feedback on the strength of your password as you type. Enter your new password and then confirm it by typing it again in the Confirm New Password field. Once both fields match, click on the Change Password button. You should see a confirmation message letting you know that your password has been successfully updated. It's a good idea to write down your new password or use a password manager to keep track of it securely. If you have any devices or applications connected to your Google account, remember to update them with your new password. Changing your password regularly is a good practice to keep your account secure. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.